Welcome. If you're tired of getting those suggested people push notifications on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off these notifications on your PC following the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the page you manage. If you have multiple pages, pick the one where you want to disable the notifications. Once you're on your page, look for the page's profile photo and click on it to enter your page's main dashboard. Next, let's dive into the settings. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. From there, click on Settings. You'll be taken to a new page with a list of different settings categories. Scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of notification types that you can manage. Look for the option labeled People You May Know. This is where Facebook sends you suggestions about people you might want to connect with. To stop getting those push notifications, simply find the push toggle next to People You May Know and switch it off. That's it. You've successfully disabled those suggested people notifications. Now, you can enjoy a cleaner notification experience without those constant suggestions popping up. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these steps again and flip the switch. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.